Hello and welcome to UK Property Accountants. I am Yuki, a chartered certified accountant here. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for every UK business: company accounts and tax returns. Whether you are a seasoned business owner or just starting out, understanding your responsibilities is vital to staying compliant and avoiding penalties. Let us break it all down for you. Let us start with the basics. If your company is registered in the UK, you must prepare annual accounts and tax return every year. Annual accounts and tax return must be submitted every year. This is non-negotiable. Annual accounts and tax return serve two main purposes. Annual accounts is filed with Companies House, which shows the financial health of your company, whereas tax return is submitted to HMRC, which determines how much corporation tax you owe. All companies registered in the UK must prepare annual accounts for Companies House and tax return to HMRC every year. These accounts, often called as statutory accounts, are designed to show the financial health of your business. They typically include a balance sheet showing the difference between what your company owes and is owed, a profit and loss account detailing what income, expenses, whether you have made a profit or a loss, notes to accounts, which provide additional details like accounting policies or employee benefit plans. For larger businesses, there might also be director's report and an auditor's report. But smaller companies and micro-entities may be exempt. Filing deadlines are strict and missing them can cost you. Your first year accounts are due 21 months after registering with Companies House. Your annual accounts must be filed 9 months after your company's financial year end. Your company tax return, or CT600, is due 12 months after the end of your accounting period, whereas corporation tax is due 9 months and 1 day after your accounting period ends. Let us look at the penalties of companies' accounts and tax returns separately. Late filing of company accounts. A penalty is automatically issued for late submission of accounts. This penalty applies solely to accounts, and the amount varies depending on how overdue they are when submitted to Companies House. For example, the penalty starts at £150 for private companies or LLPs, and £750 for public companies if filed within 1 month after the deadline. Other penalties according to the period are present on the screen. The penalty will be doubled if accounts are filed late in 2 successive financial years, beginning on or after 6th April 2008. Late filing of tax return. Penalties will apply if you fail to submit your company tax return by the deadline. If you miss the deadline for filing a company tax return, penalties start at £100 after being 1 day late, another £100 after 3 months late, and 6 months, HMRC will estimate your corporation tax and impose 10% penalty on unpaid tax, with an additional 10% penalty after 12 months. If your tax return is late 3 times in a row, the £100 penalties are increased to £500 each. Late filing does not just cost money, it could also lead to your company being closed or prosecuted by Companies House. For tax returns, if you are 6 months late, HMRC can estimate your tax liability, which could be higher than what you owe. So why not let tax specialists handle it for you? At UK Property Accountants, we will ensure your accounts are prepared accurately and on time. Your tax allowances and expenses like office equipment and employee benefits are fully utilized to reduce your tax bill. And most importantly, you will have peace of mind knowing your business complies with all regulations. Whether you are just starting out or managing a growing company, understanding your accounts and tax returns is essential. Need help? Book your free 15-minute discovery call with us today and let us take all the stress out of your accounting. Thank you for watching.